إن الحمد لله نحمده ونستعينه ونستغفره ونعوذ بالله من شرور أنفسنا ومن سيئات أعمالنا من يهده الله فلا مضل له ومن يضلل فلا هادي له وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله أما بعد. Okay, so we left off at number 7, exercise 7, on page 30, where it says Muhammad and then Ya Muhammadu. You guys see that? Yeah. Muhammad and Ya Muhammadu. So what this is talking about is the Ya and Bidai, the Ya of calling that we talked about last time. We mentioned it briefly, but for example, what it's saying is if you have Muhammad, when you add the Ya in front of it, a Dhamma gets knocked off. It says Ya Muhammadu. Okay? So for example, across it says Ustadun Ya Ustadu. See that? And then Khalidun Ya Khalidu. Waladun Ya Waladu. Alright, so basically, yes, by using the Ya and the Bidai, you knock off a Dhamma, and it turns into one Dhamma instead of a Dhammatain. That's what the author is teaching us. Okay. So next one is Ikra Waqtu with the proper ending vowelization. So we can read the first one. For example, it says Ya Aliyu. Ya Abbasu. Abbasu. What about next one? Shaykhun. Shaykhun. Right? Because there's no Ya in front of it. If it was Ya in front of it, then it'd be Ya Shaykhu, right? Alright, what about the next one? Ya Shaykhu, right? There you go. Ya Rajulu. Perfect. Ya Rajulu. What does that mean? Oh man. So you want to say like the Ya and Nidai, it means oh. There's another one we're going to learn, inshallah, in Tino 3, it means oi or yo. Okay. We're not going to mention that right now. Okay. Yasirun. Ya Ammaru. Okay, we read the next one. Dokturun. Dokturun. What does that mean? Okay, yeah, doctor, that's another word for doctor. So what's the other word that we learned? Labib, right? We learned Labibun. Labibun. And this means doctor like in a hospital, you know, with a white coat, with a stethoscope, you know, checking your heart, checking your lungs. Doktur. I mean, it literally it sounds like doctor, yeah. But what this is referring to is like someone with a PhD, like a professor with a PhD, like a PhD professor. PhD professor. So just know that there's some different contexts that you need to know these words in. And then what's the next one? Yeah. When you use the Ya, how do you say it? Ya Dukturu. Ya Dukturu. Ya Dukturu. Easy enough, yeah, easy enough. Okay, let's move on. Next page. It says, okay, basically you want to read the example at the top, and then afterwards you want to make examples, sentences like it. So for example, the first example says, Kitabu man hada. Kitabu man hada. Can anyone give me a translation? Kitabu man hada. Whose book is this? Kitabu man hada. And just remember, we're in the chapter, we're learning al-idafa, right? Rasulullahi. Kitabu Muhammadin. So what is this saying? It's saying, Kitabu This is the idafa happening here. Why? What is kitabu called in Arabic? Mudaf. Mudaf. And so what is this? Mudaf ilayhi. Mudaf ilayhi. Okay? Even though, yes, okay, look here, this is a sukoon, but man is just one of those words that remain fixed. It doesn't change. Alright? So kitabu man hada. But in reality, what case is this? What case is it? Is it marfu? Is it mansub? Is it majroor? Majroor. 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 In the case of majroor, even though it doesn't have a kasra or anything like that, remember, because it's a fixed part of it. It's a fixed thing. It doesn't change no matter what. Just like hada. Is every harf target in you?
Like how you're saying, like it's one of those words that doesn't change.
Yeah.
Is that the same case for all ordinary culture?
Yeah. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. Yes. Even if I said fi, like look, fi hada, hada's not going to be like hadi or whatever, right? It's not going to be like this. It's going to remain hada. And we're going to learn this later on in the later chapters. I'm just introducing it, throwing it out there for you guys to catch on to. Okay, so kitabu man hada, book of whose is this? Yeah? Or whose book is this? And now we need to make example sentences by looking at the pictures and seeing. So next one, who can do it? Next one. So for example, it would be qalamu man hada. Qalamu man hada. Whose pen is this? Qalamu man hada. Okay, what about the next one? Do you guys understand the exercise? Qamisu man hada. What does that mean?
Whose shirt is this?
Whose shirt is this? Or literally, shirt of who is this? Yeah? Qamisu man hada. And then who can do the next one? Wa baytu man hada. Yeah, you can do that. Yeah, wa baytu man hada. And what does that mean? Yeah, whose house is this? Or you can say wa baytu man dhalik. And whose house is that? Right? Qamisu man hada wa baytu man dhalika. Okay, next one. We can do it. How do you say bed in Arabic? Sariru man hada. Perfect. Perfect. What does that mean? Whose bed is this? Alhamdulillah. Right? We're just cleaning up the lesson. Any questions on this? That was easy, right? It's just making you think in a different way. Okay, number 9, exercise 9. It says ismun. Ismun. And we've already talked about this in last lesson. It says what does it say? Ismul waladi Muhammadun. The name of the boy is Muhammad. Wasmu. Let's see, wasmu. That's hamzatul wasl, and it gets assimilated. Wasmul binti Zainabun. And the name of the daughter is Zainab. So just showing you when the hamzatul wasl, which is the hamza with the little squiggly line on it, that thing on it, it comes in the beginning of the word ism, it has a kasra. Ismul waladi. When it comes in the middle, you have to assimilate it with the word that comes before it. Wasmul. Yeah? Okay. Next one, it says Ismul mudarrisi Hamidun. See? The name of the teacher is Hamid. Masmul mudiri. Masmul mudiri. What is the name of the mudir? The principal or the head teacher. Okay? Yeah.
So we put a kasra on mudarrisi because it's the mudaf ilayhi, right?
Perfect. Yes. Mudaf ilayhi, it's majroor. It has a kasra or a kasratain. In this case, it has a kasra single because it has the definite article al. it didn't have al, it'd have kasratain.
Right.
Okay. The same rule applies for this word, ibnun. What does ibnun mean? Son. Yeah, or son of, right? Like Isa ibn Maryam, right? Isa, the son of Maryam. So ibnu, who can read this one? Let's try that. Who can read?
ابن خالد في البلد.
Ibnu Khalidin
ابن خالد في المدرسة.
في المدرسة.
في المدرسة. وابن حامد في الجامعة.
Perfect. You see that? Ibnu, because we say it, and it starts at the beginning of the sentence. Ibnu Khalidin fil madrasati. And now look, it's coming in the middle, so we assimilate it. Wabnu Hamidin fil jami'ati. Who can read the next sentence?
Wait, why wouldn't it be Ibn Khalid?
Because
Like, wouldn't it be like son of Khalid?
it's here. Look. Khalidun. Okay? For example, if I say Kitabu, let me do this, yeah? Khalidun. Kitabu Khalidun, is that correct? It's not, because this has to be majroor. So you bring it down. Kitabu Khalidin.
Oh, okay.
See that? That's why. Because it's majroor and it doesn't have al in front of it. Okay. Can someone read the next sentence?
ابن المدرس في الفصل. أين ابن المدير.
Perfect. Translate for us.
The son of the engineers in the class.
The teacher. Oh, did it say Muhandis one in yours?
No.
Oh.
The son of the teacher
Yeah.
is in the classroom. Where's the principal?
Where's the son of the principal?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nabnul Mudiri. Nabnul Mudiri. Where is the son of the principal? Yeah? Okay. Next page. We're almost done. This is the last page of this lesson, then we'll start lesson 6, inshallah. So basically just read properly. Read the Hamzatul Wasl properly. Yeah? So Hamzatul Wasl, that's the one we've just read. It's gonna come in the beginning, it's gonna come in the middle, you just gotta assimilate it and or not properly. So who could start us off?
ابن محمد في العراق وابن حامد في الهند.
Perfect. That was accent. Very good. Translate for us.
The son of Muhammad is in Iraq, and the son of Hamid is in
India. Yep. Okay, next one. Who can read?
خرج ابن الطبيب من البيت.
Yeah, خرج ابن الطبيب من البيت. Right? خرج, so if you break it down, خرج means what? It's the verb. He left, yeah, or he exited. Who exited?
Son of the doctor.
The son of the doctor. From where? Yep, the house. Alright, next one. Who can do that one? ذهب ابن. This one's a difficult one. ذهب ابن التاجر إلى السوق. Alright, what does that mean? What does ذهب mean?
Left.
Yeah. He went.
Oh, went?
Yeah, he went.
So the son of the merchant
Yep.
went to the store,
Yeah, went to the souk, went to the market.
to the market.
Yeah, so the son of the businessman or the merchant went to the market.
So khariji is exit, and zahaba is
Yeah, kharaja means he exited or he left, and dhahaba means he went.
Okay.
Meaning like, okay, kharaja means you exit from somewhere. You like you exit from the room.
Oh.
You exit from the classroom. You left from the classroom to the bathroom, for example. And dhahaba means you're going somewhere. You're like you went somewhere. You went to the market. You went to the bathroom. You went to
Like
the
going.
kitchen. Yeah. Not going. You went because it's past tense. You went to the market.
The son of the merchant went to the store.
Yeah, market. Went to the market. All right, number 4. Starts with ismu.
اسم المهندس فيصل واسم الطبيب مسعود.
Perfect. Okay, what does that mean?
The name of the engineer is Faisal and the name of the doctor is Mas'ud.
Perfect. You got it. All right, number 5.
Which page are we on?
We are on page 32. We're on the last page of lesson 5. The one with the big box with the vocabulary at the end. What year? Okay, number 5. Who can read this one? Masmur Rajuli. Yes.
What's the name of the man?
Yeah, what's the man's name? What's the name of the man? But there's a more polite way of saying that, yeah? Like for example, if you meet someone, you're not gonna say Masmur Rajuli. Yeah, you're gonna say, one second, someone like Manil Akh. Like, who's the brother? It's like a formal way. Like, oh, brother, what's your name? Manil Akh. You wouldn't say Masmur Rajuli.
But you can say that directly to someone. Like, I could ask you, like,
Yeah, you can ask me directly. Manil Akh. I mean, what's the kind brother's name? See that?
It's not like, who are you, brother?
It's not, yo, who are you? It's not that. It's like, brother, what's your name? Yeah, see, it's the formality. It's like a kind way of saying it.
But the literal meaning kind of sounds like that.
Yeah, like, who's brother? Right? No, it's not that. Like, same thing with like, when like Prophet Ibrahim said, yeah, abati, oh my kind father, oh my father. It's like a formal, respectful way of saying that stuff.
But if I'm like, hey, nah,
That's okay too. But be in the habit of being respectful to the brothers, yeah. And even that's respectful as well. But it's just nice. It's just a nice.
It also means the same thing. Like, it's your name.
Yeah, like, if you say man anta, that's okay. But really, you want to say man al-akh.
Oh, Aina Ant, like, where are you?
Aina anta is where are you? Yeah. But if you say man anta or masmuka,
Yeah,
that's
what
okay.
I've heard it Mas'ud.
Yeah, masmuka, that's okay. But man al-akh, it's a nice way of saying it. It's like a kind, gentle way of saying it. Okay, last one, number 6. Who can read? Ibnu man anta. Ibnu man anta. Whose son are you? Who are you the son of? Anabnu al-Waziri. I'm the son of the Wazir, the minister, like the prime minister. Like in the UK, it's Boris Johnson, the guy that looks like Trump. And so that's what I just think of that. Wazir. So I am the son of the minister. Okay. So the new words, kalimatul jadida, we have al-rusul. What does that mean? The messenger. Al-Ka'ba, right? That's the Ka'ba. Al-ismu, it means name. It can also mean noun. Remember we said ism, asma? And if you see asma wa sifat, right? The names and attributes of Allah Azza wa Jal, right? Al-ibnu, the son. Al-ammu, right? What does that mean?
Uncle.
Yeah, uncle, yeah. Well, from which side? Mother or dad? Or father? No? Father's side. Perfect. Al-khal.
Aunt.
Maternal uncle.
Maternal uncle, yes. Aunt is khalatun. Khalatun, it has a tan ruta. Okay. Al-haqibatu. Bag, yeah, bag or backpack, yes. As-sayyaratu. Car. Ash-shari'u. The street. Mughlaqun. Like closed, or yeah, you can say locked, but closed. Like a souq mughlaqun. The market is closed. What about this one? Tahta means yes, under. And so tahta, I said something last time that's a preposition, it's not. Right? Tahta, it's an adverb. An adverb. We're gonna learn this, but just know that it's not a preposition. It's an adverb. But I wrote it next to the preposition because it kind of acts the same sometimes. Okay. Hunaka. Over there. Perfect. Now we go to the next box. It says Sayyaratul. What? مدرسي سيارة المدرسي. And look at here, this will be learning a whole lesson. Yeah, مضاف إليه. سيارة is مضاف. What are the 2 grammar points with that? Can it have al? No. Can it have tanween? Nope. That's why look, it doesn't have al, it doesn't have tanween. Okay, can the ending change? Yes. If I put fi in front of it, it'd be fi sayyarati. Alright? Let's go on to the mudaf ilayhi. Al-mudarrisi. What are the 2 grammar points? It can have al, that's why look, it has al. Okay? It can have a tanween. Kitabu Muhammadin or Kitabu Khalidin, right? And then what's the next one? What's the case ending for this one?
The ending can't change.
The ending can't change, but it's majroor. It's majroor. Majroor, meaning it's a kasra. Yeah?
The ending cannot change. The mudaf ilayhi.
Let's pause on that. Yeah, let's pause on that. That's a good question. Let's pause on it for a second. But generally, no, it doesn't change. Yeah, no. Yeah, it doesn't change. It doesn't change. It'll be majroor. Yeah, it'll be majroor. Unless told otherwise. Okay. That's it. Lesson 5 completed. That was a long lesson. So that was a heavy lesson, right? But lessons now are going to get longer, but it doesn't necessarily mean that they're going to get harder, all right? Any questions on lesson 5 before we wrap it up and move to lesson 6? No?
Can you say the case endings one more time? So there's majroor, which is the
Yes.
kasra.
Yes.
There's marfu', which is the fatha.
So there's 3 cases, right? 3 cases. Right now, what we're learning. There's more, but right now, what are we learning? We're learning the primary case endings, the main case endings. Okay, so there's 3 in them. 1, 2, 3. First one is marfu. You write that better. Marfu. Then it's mansub. Then it's majroor. Marfu means a dhamma or dhammatain. Mansub means fatha or fathatain. And majroor means what? Kasra or kasratain. Alright? So for example, if I say Muhammadun, what case is it in? Marfu. If I say Kalbin, what case is that in? Majroor. If I say Kalban, what case is that in? Mansub. Right? Okay, make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have a question.
Yes.
So, what are those? So,
Yes. This means that the noun has these 2. Marfu means a noun has dhamma or a dhammatain. Mansub means a noun has a fatha or fathatain. Fathatain means 2 fathas. That ain sound that I'm saying, ain, that means 2. So a dhamma or a dhammatain means 2. Okay, a noun can have a kasra or kasratain. If it does, it's majroor for now, yeah? Good? Let's move on?
yeah.
Alright, good. Alright, inshallah, let's start the 6th lesson. Inshallah.